TunePat Any Audiobook Converter can convert AAX audiobooks to M4A, M4B, MP3 files onto computers. Proceed at 300 times faster conversion speed. Keep original audio quality in ID3 tags. And split Audible books by time, chapters, and segments. TunePat Any Audiobook Converter allows users to add audiobooks from both the local computer and the Audible online library. Let's see how to add from the local computers first. If you have downloaded the audiobooks to your local computer, you can directly use this tool to convert them. Launch TunePat Any Audiobook Converter. Click the Tools on the left side. Click the first one, AA/AAX Converter. Change the output format to MP3. Click the Add to import your downloaded AA/AAX audiobooks on your computer to TunePat Any Audiobook Converter. If you want to split out your audio into segments, now you can change the settings. TunePat can split audiobooks by chapter, by time, or be divided into several equal parts. You can choose one of the ways you want to split the audiobooks. You can add more audiobooks by clicking plus Add. Click Convert to start converting the added AA/AAX audiobooks to the MP3 formats. Now, the audiobooks have been converted into MP3 format, and you can check them or transfer them to other devices. Now let's see how to add audiobooks from the Audible library. Launch TunePat Any Audiobook Converter and the Audible online library window will appear automatically. Remember to log in to your Audible account first. Choose the audiobooks in your Audible library and click the book title. Click the blue Click to Add button in the lower right. Then the audiobooks will be listed in a pop-up window. Click Add to add it to the home interface. You will be given 3 options from which to choose. Click the first button, Add More, and you can still add other audiobooks from Audible as in the previous steps. Click Settings in the lower left and change the output format into MP3. Click the third button, Convert, to perform an instant conversion. Wait for a short period of time. The downloaded audiobooks have been saved to the folder that you set before. Now you can transfer these files to other devices you want to play. Have you learned it? Try to use it on your own.